Google announced a new research project that aims to launch AI chips into space via solar-powered satellites called Project Suncatcher. The new Moonshot project was jump-started because Google believed that space could be the best place to scale AI compute. CEO Sundar Pichai shared the news on X saying, "Inspired by our history of moonshots, from quantum computing to autonomous driving, Project Suncatcher is exploring how we could one day build scalable ML compute systems in space, harnessing more of the sun's power, which emits more power than 100 trillion times humanity's total electricity production." Like any moonshot, it's going to require us to solve a lot of complex engineering challenges. The idea has come out as the world deals with the growing environmental impact in terms of water and electricity from the construction of AI data centers.